Hello traders. This video will discuss an expert advisor called Swing VIP. From the results of the trading experiment using this EA, the profit obtained has reached 673%. There are several things that I will discuss in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Your support is very meaningful for the development of this channel. Thank you to those of you who have become part of Chi Trade subscribers. How the Expert Advisor Swing VIP works. The Swing VIP Expert Advisor has very sophisticated capabilities. The VIP Swing robot is capable of analyzing and processing large amounts of market data, including price action, trends, CCI, PPO, and other basic indicators. Taking all these data together, the EA opens and closes trades automatically, with the goal of maximizing profits. Unlike the Martingale strategy, which increases trade size after losses, Swing VIP EA uses the non-Martingale strategy with the grid method. Before using VIP Swing robot on a live account, it is recommended to test it on a demo account for at least 1 week. In addition, it is very important to understand how the robot works before using it. The advice to test this EA is with a capital of at least $1,000. With a capital of $1,000, the trade size opened is 0.01 lot. However, it is recommended to be more careful when using $500 capital because it is more risky. For pair recommendations, you can pay attention to currency pairs from AUD/CAD to NZD/CAD with a 1-minute time frame or M1. However, you can also try using another currency pair. Use brokers with low spreads and VPS with ultra-low latency specifications. If you are interested, you can list brokers with low spreads from the link that I have provided in the video description. Likewise, with VPS ultra-low latency specifications, you can try it for free. I've also provided the registration link in the video description. I will see 3 references to trading results using the VIP Swing Expert Advisor. You can also check directly from the website e-intrade.com. On the website, I've also shared this expert advisor for free. The first is trading results with a profit of 82.63%. Trading starts from March 3, 2023 to March 29, 2023. The biggest drawdown that occurred was 33.38%. Estimated monthly profit of 16.41%. Estimated daily gain of 0.14%. And a total gain of 82.63%. The profit earned was €330 from a capital of €445. Trading is only carried out 1 month only, and already in withdrawals a total of €775. Total trading for 1 month 160 transactions. With an average trading duration of 12 hours 22 minutes. Monthly analytics. Yes, these are the advantages of trading in March. Trading history. You can see the history of deposits and withdrawals. If we look here at the pair used for GBP/CAD trading. The second is Forex trading using Swing VIP from May 12, 2022 until this month in April 2023. Deposits used $5,000. Profit $4,163 USD. Drawdown 37.82%. Estimated profit of 5.32%. And the total profit earned is 83.27%. Advanced statistical information. Average trading up to 1 day, with a profit factor of 2.12. This is the result of trading using 7 pairs. Trading runs 24 hours using this EA. There are several benefits of trading multiple pairs simultaneously, including risk diversification. By trading multiple pairs, you can spread your risk across several currency pairs. If one pair experiences a loss, It can be offset by gains from another pair. Increased trading opportunities. Trading multiple pairs provides you with more trading opportunities. You can search for trading opportunities in several pairs simultaneously and take the best available positions. Trading history. You can see here that all the lots that were opened were 0.06 lots, meaning not using Martingale, just using a grid strategy with a fixed lot. Monthly analytics information. You can also see here the profits you get every month from 2023 to April 2023. The third is the results of Forex trading using expert advisors from 23 December 2020 to December 2022 with a profit of more than 666%. Trading starts from a $5,000 deposit. Profit earned $33,292 USD. Drawdown is quite high at 76.93%. Estimated profit every month 8.8%, and a total profit of 673%. Advanced statistics. Total trading 5,000 transactions, with a profit ratio of 68%. The average trading duration is 2 days. Profit factor 1.96. This is the result of trading for 2 years using 5 pairs. Lot use lot fix 0.08. Monthly analytics information. You can see the profit every month, from 2020, 2021, 2022, and in 2023 there are no more transactions. I have tested the VIP Swing Expert Advisor on MetaTrader and it works. For now the pair that I use is only 2 pairs, and I will add 3 pairs again. The time frame that I use is in 15. The preset that I use is default. For the terminal version I use is version 4.00 build 1380. Okay, what do you think about this Swing VIP Expert Advisor? Have you tried it? If you have tried it, write your experience in the comments column. Before using an Expert Advisor, please use a demo account first to find out the performance of the Expert Advisor and to find out how profitable the Expert Advisor is. Also, always monitor how the Expert Advisor works so that you can increase the probability of profit and reduce the risk of loss. Thanks for watching till the end.